Welcome to Radiant Consumer Appliances Private Limited, manufacturer, exporter, and service provider of vending machines, hot, cold beverages, and mixes. The company was established in 2010 at Hyderabad. Our products are applicable in factories, hospitals, and other areas. Assured quality products, industry-leading prices, and large production capacity are the reasons behind our success. We offer a wide assortment of coffee vending machines, white malt health drinks, and tomato soups. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of coffee machines, cardamom tea, and beverage vending machines. Our diet coffee and green tea extracts are in huge demand across the global markets. We are offering a top-notch quality range of green coffee beans, instant coffee premixes, and vending machines. Our plain tea, low-sugar coffee, and cardamom tea are widely appreciated in the market. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of lemon tea and coffee tea vending machine for offices that are cost-effective. To know more about us, please visit our website www.tcoffeevendingmachine.co.in.